In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a horizontal line in MetaTrader 5. This is a very simple but important task, especially if your chart is getting cluttered with old levels, support and resistance lines, or markings you no longer need. Let's get straight into it. First, make sure you're on the chart where the horizontal line is drawn. You should clearly see the line across your chart, usually spanning the entire width from left to right. If you have multiple horizontal lines, you might want to zoom in a little or adjust your chart view so you can easily see and select the exact one you want to remove. Now, move your mouse cursor directly over the horizontal line you want to delete. It's important to be precise here. When your cursor is on top of the line, you'll usually notice a slight highlight or change that indicates the line is selected or ready to be interacted with. Once your cursor is on the line, right-click on the horizontal line. This right click is what opens up the context menu specifically for that object on your chart. If you accidentally right click somewhere else, like on empty chart space or another object, you might see a different menu, so make sure you're right clicking directly on the line itself. After you right click on the horizontal line, a small menu will appear next to your cursor. This menu contains several options related to that line, such as properties, settings, and the action we're interested in. From this menu, look for the option that says delete. It might be labeled simply as delete or delete object, depending on your MetaTrader 5 setup or language. Go ahead and click on delete. As soon as you do this, the horizontal line will disappear from your chart. There's no extra confirmation step in most cases, so once you click delete, the action is immediate. If the line doesn't disappear, double check that you right-clicked exactly on the correct object and repeat the process. If you have multiple horizontal lines to clean up, just repeat these same steps for each one. Position your cursor over the line, right-click on it, then click delete. Taking a moment to remove unused lines can really help keep your charts clear, easier to read, and more professional looking, and that's all there is to it.